Titled Desierto Olmeca, also known as Monument Number 8 from San Lorenzo, Tenochtitlan. This piece was created to honor resilience, ancestry, and the sacred connection between land and spirit. A stone face rises from the heart of the desert, red as fire, heavy with memory. Sacred birds soar above, cactus bloom below, and hummingbirds move like echoes of the ancestors. The Olmec didn't disappear. They became the sun, the soil, the wind. And through this work they speak, Desierto Olmeca, in search of its forever home.